What's this
the
one?
BB Senshi Mobile Suit Gundam 0083
Yep.
Stardust Memory set. So basically, it's like 4 chibis.
4 chibi. 4 chibi.
Chibis.
Chibis.
Yeah.
Okay, so it comes with 4 kits in it.
Yeah, yeah.
And chibi is the style of kit that it comes with.
Yeah.
Right.
It's like the how to say?
The model.
Yeah, the model.
The model. All right.
Yeah.
Well, let's go over this way. We'll go to the top camera.
Yeah.
We'll get a little bit of focus on this before we open it up.
As you can see, it's like a very old-fashioned style of rendering.
It is, isn't
yeah,
it?
Yeah, it is.
It's like 3D computer graphic animated.
And it's like from 30, 40 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's like 90.
90?
Yeah, 90s.
Wow,
Yeah,
I wouldn't have guessed that.
Yeah, very old one.
Mm.
And yeah, I would say it's so they're literally putting the
Can we get a close up on this guy? Look at him. He looks kind of funny.
Funny face, right?
He's got like a funny face. He's kind of like standing there like a real weird one. Oh, what else we got? This looks kind of cool. I do like this box art.
Yeah, and this one is like sort of like a fridge or something.
A
Right?
fridge? A really old fridge?
Yeah.
True. Here, let me put this down a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go. And we'll start unboxing. I have to focus it again because I moved it. All right, let's have a look in here. What do we got? Let's take the box off and take us through. Yep. Whoa! 4 kits. 4 kits, right? 4 kits right off the bat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get the...
You want to get the instructions out?
Yeah, always get the instructions out.
You heard it from Kawa. Always get the instructions. What do you think?
Yeah, so they literally just 4 different manuals for each one.
Yep.
Separate.
Yep.
So if you don't want one of them or some of them, you can literally sell them out. And yeah, because the price for this kit is very cost effective, I would say. Yeah.
You're getting like a little bit of a discount because you're buying 4.
Yeah.
So if you've got 3 friends, which I hope everyone does, because that would be tragic if we didn't, you can each have a kit.
Yeah.
And you can fight over which one you want.
Yeah, literally. And I would say 2 of them are very hard to find if you want buying them separately. So
let me guess.
Yeah, you can have a guess.
Let me guess which ones are hard to find.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess that this one.
What's another one? There are 2 of them are very hard to find.
This one and that one.
How do you know that?
Oh, I know because you got all flustered when you said fridge.
Okay.
As soon as you called it a fridge, I knew that it was special.
Okay, all right.
Let's see. So they're the 2 ones that are kind of hard to find.
Yeah.
Because they don't come in individual kits, right?
No, it's like they released a very long time ago, and they don't literally reproduction doing any.
They don't do a reproduction of it.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So these ones aren't even being molded anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, so these are from like the backlog.
Yeah. So if you wanna like experience building on this one and the fridge one, yeah, just.
Oh, this is fridge one here, definitely. It's got the jet engine.
Yeah.
That's got to be Mr. Fridge. Oh my God! Look at all this plastic. Good luck figuring out what's what, honestly.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah. Oh, we've got some more updates on the model kits as well. I forgot to even tell you that we've got the Hotchkiss, the Hotchkiss guys, and we've also got the Ned Kelly. Anyway, sorry, I just forgot that was happening as well.
Yeah.
All right. So these are your instructions.
Yeah.
Did you want to have a look through any more of this kit?
I would say the parts are really good quality. So yeah, because Bandai sometimes has very awkward
awkward.
Yes.
That's an interesting way to describe Bandai. How are some of their kits awkward?
It's like you would see very obvious scratch or something.
A scratch.
Yeah, it's like the plastic is not. How did I say?
How it doesn't join together well?
No, it's not.
It joins together well. Okay.
No. It's not about joint.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's about
the
color.
Molding.
Yeah, the molding.
The molding quality.
Yeah, the molding quality.
Does any Bandai have flash? Do you know what flash is?
What's that?
So when you mold a piece of plastic,
Mhm.
sometimes you get plastic that seeps out of the mold and creates.
That's the one.
That's
yeah,
the one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's the one.
So in plastic model like airplanes and stuff,
Mhm.
we call that flash, because it's like flashes out,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
you have to like cut it all out.
Mhm.
But no, when
Yeah, you can't see. The
Bandai had
name.
flash. They used to have that.
Used to.
We used to,
Yeah.
not anymore.
Yeah.
These are really nice looking
I know,
parts.
right? Yeah.
Mm,
It sometimes happens to the old kids from Bandai, but they improve a lot. So
Right.
yeah.
okay. Cool.